I'm really honestly sorry.
Alright, let me set this clip up. This week, I went to Lane Meyer's injunction of harassment hearing that this woman you see here filed against him when her boyfriend decided to go all Damien on us. And being the petty asshole I am, I decided to file disorderly conduct charges on him. This was a small portion of an absolutely insane 3.5-hour court hearing that you need to go hear for yourself. Check it out on Lane Meyer's channel, but let's get into this video.
I just had a snap reaction. I didn't know
I understand. And maybe that's what happened to Lane Myers, and he had a snap reaction.
Absolutely,
and maybe she could have went ahead and been a little bit more gracious.
Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back.
You see, a spoonful of sugar helps the medicine go down in a most delightful way.
Having 4 sisters and seeing this movie more times than I can remember, there's an important lesson in that Mary Poppins clip. Sometimes we all need to face the consequences of hypocrisy, and it's not fun being on the other side of rules for thee but not for me. Now, I know this might feel defeating and unfair, but here's the thing. Medicine isn't supposed to taste good. So hopefully we can take this moment to reflect, grow, and move forward as better, more understanding people. And hey, maybe that pumpkin pie is just the spoonful of sugar for you. Now let's get back to our regularly scheduled programming.
We're in the matter of Stacey Jane Plaintiff versus Lane Myers. The defendant appears both parties are present. My name is Tom Burning, Assistant City Court Magistrate.
Thank you.
Presided over this matter, I have just received, I don't know if you received, Ms. Jimmy, a copy of notice of audio recording.
I did not, but I plan to make an objection on top of the hearing.
There's no objections allowed under 122H, sir.
What is the purpose of the recording? Did you say this is your own personal recording for your own
Personal audio device kept on or near the person.
I can make an objection.
I get what you're saying though, but like there's I've been going through this at every hearing I go to. Let's move on with the hearing.
No, let's talk about it first. What are rules required here? Just tell me what your position is.
On what?
On whether or not I should permit the recording per se.
You don't have authority to stop me. It's a Supreme Court rule.
Okay.
The presiding judge has already given me a court order that says I can do it. So what do you want to do here?
Do you want to hand me a copy of that?
Yeah, it's called Administrative Order 50-4.
Okay. Well, let's see yours.
You look at it's signed by your presiding judge. You're required to follow the rules, not me.
I understand. I'm going to follow those.
All right, good then. So let's move on.
Don't tell me how they run the courtroom, sir.
There's multiple people in here that are going to be recording, and you're not going to stop us.
I'm not?
No.
Your Honor, I would object to any recording in the courtroom.
She doesn't have the authority under 122H. We're not going to divulge this. This is a waste of both of our time. You can continue if you want to debate this. Continue the hearing.
All right. We will continue the hearing for a separate hearing on purposes of 122.
To what?
For hearing on.
Yeah, because I'm going to file an injunction against you.
Okay.
To enforce 122H at Superior Court. I'm going to go get an injunction right now.
Do you have a copy of the rule that you would like?
Do you have a copy of 122H?
I can get a copy of the rule.
Pull up 122H. You guys got a copy of it? Here, I'll pull it up. Can I pull it up on my phone and show it to you?
Sure.
Okay.
I mean,
I've been going over this in every court in the past 3 months, and I've come out successfully every time. And any judge that tried to stop me got hit with a special action. So
no, you can hit me with a special action.
it's an administrative thing. You do not have judicial immunity for administrative decisions, and these rules fall under judicial.
I'm asking you just.
I'm gonna show it to you right now.
Okay.
50-4, or excuse me, 122H. 122H. I cannot believe you're letting this hearing start into this. You're biasing the jury. You're the jury, sir, and the judge. Right now, you don't have 122H hearings before a matter. Now this is prejudicial against me, sir, because you and I are having an adversarial conversation before my hearing where you need to decide on my credibility and my, whether I'm...
You're going to show it to me or not?
Yeah, I am.
All right, that'll be sufficient for you.
Because I just had a Superior Court judge go over this.
Okay.
I'm not... You're prejudicing my case right now. You're prejudicing them. It's literally on your own website.
I'm sure it is. I don't have the present in front of me, so
that's why I gave notice ahead of time.
I just got the notice like 30 seconds to that.
Because that's all I need to do is tell you when I walk in.
I'm sure that's fine. I just, as a favor, I'm asking you.
I'm showing it here right now. Here you go. 122. There you go. H. Go to H. H.
Why are you video recording?
Yeah, why you got your camera?
Why is this guy video recording?
Hey.
You get what I'm saying?
Cameras yet.
No, look, sir.
I just said.
No, but there'll never be video recording.
Video ain't allowed.
Video, you do have to put in a notice ahead of
Bring
time.
the law.
You got
My bad,
permission
my
from
bad.
the judge.
It's true, I just told him to stop.
Okay, but no, he should be held in contempt and removed from the hearing. And he just said, "Fuck you, punk," to these people. This is.
Wow.
Get an officer in here, sir.
That's aggressive.
Hey,
This is
the
my.
rest of you, I allow
This
you.
is my party. This is my family.
That's great that your family.
So why is this guy using cuss words at my family in the gallery?
I have no
Why is he
idea.
filming?
Do you want to have the hearing or not?
I do.
Why is he still sitting in here?
Why hasn't this man been removed when he's in violation? Sir, if you want to video record, you have to put a notice in ahead of time. We're not trying to video record. This man just pulled his phone out when there's signs all over the building when you walk in that say no video recording allowed. This man just pulled his camera out in this court and pointed it at us and recorded you at the bench right here without a notice, and then he said fuck you to these people and you haven't kicked them out yet.
Because I haven't had a hearing or known anything about it other than what you're telling me?
You just watched him.
Okay, are you going to listen? Are you going to participate?
Absolutely, sir. This is.
Just have a seat.
Thank you. You got my phone. Are we gonna
I
go?
do have your phone. I'll give it back to you. You haven't given me an opportunity.
Is it still open?
And the rest of you folks.
Is it still?
It's still.
It's still open.
I don't
122H personal audio recording. No video, sir. We agree.
Okay.
No video.
I agree.
Nobody's trying to do video.
I'm trying to read.
Except him right there, and we need a copy of that video. You need to order him to give me a copy of that video or delete it in front of you. This is how it works in here. We've been dealing with this for many years with Judge Klotz and Judge Riojas. You cannot film video in here.
I'll delete it.
That's a crime.
Okay.
He should be arrested. Just like we get arrested if we video in here.
I'm happy to delete it.
Just deleting it.
Oh, look how easy he's just, hey, sir, can we video, this guy, man, is videoing in the courtroom.
Let's not video in the court, okay? I just deleted it. I didn't know, you were, I thought.
There's signs everywhere.
Okay.
You made
Mr. Meyer, you guys.
I
He
know.
would have been kicked out.
We would have already been,
He would have been kicked out.
Commissioner, bro, I'm not.
No.
Hey, we would have already been out though for it.
Okay, that's fine.
We want to follow the rules.
Sir, they're going to be removed if you do not remain quiet. There it is. Don't tell me what to do.
Please, sir, can we just all calm down and cooler heads prevail and all of us be grown-ups in
It would
here?
help if you let me.
Thank you. You guys, let's all just be grown-ups for a minute.
If you're not allowed to record in this matter.
I understand. I deleted it. I deleted it off the recently deleted. I'm happy to show
And
you.
did you use any profanity with those folks?
What's that?
Did you use any profanity towards any of those people?
I did.
And why was that?
Because I felt like I was being harassed. They were telling me what to do.
We were showing you the rules, or telling you.
Hey, did I ask you to talk?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. You made it
And there was
you made
already
the permission to
swearing
talk
going
about
on that side. There was
Not one person swore over here.
the...
Not one person used profanity. He did.
Sir, allow me to at least control my courtroom.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
I was actually talking to a person about the concerns you expressed.
Thank you.
And you keep on constantly interrupting me while I'm trying to do that. And I don't know what is the purpose of that. One, you are not allowed to video, you now know that. Two, you're on warning that any further disruptions. I understand you have concerns what other folks may say, and we'll pay attention to that. But you yourself, any further adverse actions of your could result in your removal from the courtroom, okay?
I understand.
And can I get the 122?
Is it still up the screen?
Yeah, it's still
Oh, yeah, okay. Thank you.
I read 122H. You're familiar with 122H?
I am not.
Personal audio. It does permit the use of a personal audio recording.
So I point you to Arizona Rules of Protective Order Procedure 8A2, which requires a judge to ensure that the parties are treated with fairness, respect, and dignity and are free from intimidation, harassment, or abuse during the court process. In addition, Arizona Rule of Protective Order 38E says that the court must take reasonable measures to ensure the parties and any witnesses of the hearing are not subject to harassment or intimidation in the courthouse or on adjoining property. Mr. Myers has live streamed previous court recordings and posted videos about me and discussing me on his YouTube channel.
Objection, Your Honor, that's not relevant to the complaint. She's going outside the bounds of the complaint. She's talking to things that are not in the petition. This is not a protective order. This is an injunction for harassment. Those rules do not apply. 122H applies. I was just at an injunction for harassment hearing at...
Sir, would you let me listen to her first, and then we'll be allowed to speak?
The videos posted by Mr. Myers have also prompted other videos on YouTube about me.
Sir, she's litigating the case. She's litigating the case right now, sir. You cannot allow yourself to be prejudiced by you. This shouldn't even be happening right now. This argument about 122H shouldn't even be happening, and you're allowing her to make arguments about a protective order, and she's pulling out legal jargon that is not applicable here, and she's talking about videos that are not in the petition. They're not in the petition. She's prejudicing my fair trial right now, and you're allowing it. This is all on the record for appeal. The transcript will show you're allowing her to talk about a protective order at an injunction for harassment hearing. Follow the rules. This is a civil procedure. It's not a protective order.
I'm not finished.
It is a civil procedure. It is a protective order.
It's not a protective order.
It's not a...
It's ARS 13. Come on, man.
Arizona Supreme Court Rule 122D says that the judge can deny a request to record or live stream a proceeding.
A request from C.
If the recording will negatively impact the party's right to privacy, safety, or well-being, or based on any other factor affecting the administration of justice. And Arizona Supreme Court Rule 122.1E says the judge can deny the use of a portable electronic device in the courthouse if use of that device is contrary to the administration of justice. And for those reasons, Your Honor, I respectfully request that both Lane Myers and other participants in the courtroom today not be permitted to audio or video record this proceeding, particularly because it will end up on YouTube and I will receive.
I'll tell you what, we'll turn our recordings off if you turn the court recording off, because it'll go on YouTube whether it's I order it for $17 and have it by the end of the day or not.
Would you allow me to? Thank you. I believe Mr. Myers is correct in regards to 122 in regards to personal audio recordings. Obviously, no video recordings are allowed. Everybody got that?
Your Honor, a crime was committed today in your courtroom, and that camera caught it. And the officer here, right here, I would like him arrested for 13-2904. I was seriously disturbed, and I am afraid to leave now because of this gentleman and how he acted. And there's plenty of witnesses in here for disturbing the peace. Okay, so.
And you're pointing at people in my courtroom. Yeah, what is your bad? Why are you doing that?
Officer, there's plenty of witnesses in here. His behavior was seriously disturbing. I mean, he was basically threatening us.
Yes.
Yeah, when someone says
You come in for an injunction and you walk out with charges.
Called me a fucking punk.
Yeah, he said.
Go use the bathroom. How much time? You need like 5 minutes.
Can I leave this?
Yes. You're trying to maintain your...
I got it. This shit is very personal.
I get it personal.
So I don't have an injunction anymore. I wish you the best, Stacy, and I'm not going to contact you in any way. And I'm going to make sure nobody harasses you on YouTube or any of that shit. Now that this injunction is gone, I can take my videos down. So it's nothing personal with her. I wish you the best in life. But if you keep pressing, there's going to be more and more videos. And now we're going to put a video up about your buddy that you brought to court.
Okay.
I get it.
You don't get it.
You go. If they're leaving, I don't want to. If they're
Are they
leaving.
getting an escort? Is that what you're doing? Or are you gonna?
Sir,
You're gonna charge them?
I don't need you to have any comments.
There was a crime that was committed, and I'm asking the officer about it. I'm asking the officer about it. And you're interrupting me in the court.
I'm glad I'm interrupting you.
This is our courtroom, and you preside over
It's
it.
all our, I understand that.
Okay, and I'm trying to talk to the officer. I waited until you were done, and then now you're interrupting me. That's rude. I'm asking the officer if he's going to do something about the crime that he committed.
When they come in here complaining about the rules and stuff, and
I
they're breaking them.
I can't talk about the previous case.
They're breaking the rules, and then they're threatening behavior. So. If you are willing to apologize, I won't press charges. But you guys got to understand, you're fucking with people's lives. Making lives difficult for people, that's not right. I'm not trying to make your life difficult, but I could today. Because you're Your behavior was seriously disturbing. The way you looked over at us and with that demonic, leave me the fuck alone. That was absolutely uncalled for. All I was doing was pointing out something we're not allowed to do. And like I said, my friend got dragged out by 4 police for filming in the courtroom. And you guys are bringing people here today to make their lives more difficult, and it's not right. So I should make your life more difficult is how I feel. I'm not that type of person.
I'm really honestly sorry. I just had a snap reaction. I didn't know
I
what I was
understand.
getting
And maybe that's
into.
what happened to Lane Myers, and he had a snap reaction,
Absolutely,
and maybe she
man.
could have went ahead and been a little bit more gracious like you're being.
I'm really sorry.
And
I
I'm
would
being.
appreciate if you give me a second chance. I had no idea about any of this. It really took me by surprise.
Sure.
No harm was meant. I just came down to support my partner. And
Fair enough. You shake your hand?
thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
Like I said, it just, man, everybody just wants to be left alone, and we all want to go on with our lives and not use the government to make our lives more difficult. The government, when it gets in your life, it's very difficult to get them out. And I think you guys know that. So stop messing with people.
Take care.
You too.
I think it's time for this country to take back our country. This is an issue of government transparency. We can't trust a government that does not trust its people. We're going to uncover the cover-up, and I hope this is just the beginning of more people coming forward about this.